no bump, there's fluid. But they gave him a shot of antibiotics. He's got cat acne, and I have to buy him Stridex pads for his chin to clean it, and I have to change no more plastic bowls, only metal.
Even though you're going to die soon.
Another one for water because it
You're going to die soon?
It's
okay.
Bacteria in plastic
I'll go someday.
Ceramic. Isn't that something? And that's what's causing the irritation for him, probably, and infection.
Want to meet Jesus?
So she's Stridex pads, and he's doing good. All right, bye. All right. Yeah, Morris is doing really good. Thanks for asking.
Here's your cut.
Then he's hawking over, he said, the doctor, until he made another appointment. So he made an appointment, but he's going to cancel it. Isn't he something? He's something else. Hold on. I got to clean his ears. All right, hold on. Unreal. Oh, look at him. Does your cat's ears get dirty? And Morris is here, an indoor cat. He always gets his dirty ears. Dirty, filthy ears on. Yeah. Let's try the other one. Gotta keep them clean. I know. You're such a good boys. Yeah. Were you hot last night in the room, David?
That was warm.
Yeah, because Rob cranked the heat. All right. Good boys. Yeah. Ooh. Look, Dave. Got dirty ears, but now he's clean. I'm going to go to the potty. I'm going to just bring it down, make it easier. Well, Rob had such a positive attitude going there. Wonderful.
Love you.